In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create professional and clickable image for your Fiverr gig, because Fiverr gig image is the most important part of your entire Fiverr gig. Think of your gig image like a magnet. More clicks is equal to more orders. Even if you are ranking on page 1, but with a bad gig image will not get you any clicks or any orders. So let's not waste time. But before you start designing your gig image, we have to first check our competitors' gig image. Go to buying section on Fiverr, put your keyword here. And I will take example of this keyword. Click on search. By the way, this is very high competition keyword, so don't actually create key on it. I'm just using it as an example. So now what you have to do, you have to take a screenshot of this full page. Let's take a screenshot. Save the screenshot on your PC. Now after taking the screenshot, here's the most important part. Go to Claude.ai, upload your screenshot here and put this prompt, and this prompt I will put it in the description below. You can copy it afterwards. Now what this will do, this will analyze your competitors images and tell what they are doing wrong, and what you can do better, and also what fonts to use, what colors to use. And remember, it's 2026, and if you are not using AI to help you, you are just making big mistake. Just don't fully depend on it. Use it as a tool to make your process faster and easier. It will take like 1 to 2 minutes to tell you everything. You have to sit for 5 minutes and read this full and understand what you can do better from all your competitors. So after this process, it's time to design your gig image. Go to Canva. This is the best tool I've been using since 5 years to design everything like website, banners, gig image. Like, this is the best tool you can use. A few things you need to keep in mind before designing. Don't use too much text or too much elements on the gig image, and your image should be clear enough to understand in just 2 seconds. And don't forget to include your photo of yourself to build trust with clients. Click on create button, click on custom size. Here you have to put width should be 1280 and height should be 769, and click on create new design. If you are not designed image before, there are like various templates here. You can use any of these templates and create design, but with the help of this AI. Okay, sit for 5 minutes and read this entire thing, understand what this is trying to say, and design an image better than your competitor. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I will show you my own gig image as an example. But before showing my gig image, I want to tell you, don't copy my exact keywords from the image. Use your own. I'm just giving you the idea. So let me show you my gig image. So this is my gig image, and this is the exact layout how to design a perfect gig image. I'm telling you this again, please don't copy this exact keywords and all the things. Do your own research, use your own keywords, and test how your gig image performs. That's it, and thank you if you are watching this video till the end, and if you have any questions, comment below.